Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 225e xDrive Luxury Active Tourer, finished in Skyscraper Grey Metallic. It has 17-inch V-spoke bicolor alloy wheels, and in the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has an electric boot lid for safe and easy access when you may struggle to open or close it manually. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. It has a top speed of 121 miles per hour, and with 241 brake horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 6.7 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the Black Vernasca Leather with grey contrast stitching upholstery and front heated sport seats, along with a heated steering wheel, both essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 225e xDrive Luxury Active Tourer, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.